What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack, and right now I'm doing this advent calendar for you guys. So every day until the 24th, I'm editing one of your guys' picture. So feel free to DM it to me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle. I've already received a lot of images from you guys, so thank you so much to every one of you who sent it already. I'm absolutely blown away by how good the quality and actually the images, the ideas behind the pictures are. So thanks so much for sending all of those. I really see that you're going out there, you're doing the effort, you're taking those pictures. Keep doing that. I really enjoy it. And today I want to be talking about this picture right here that you, Joseph, sent me. I really love the vibe, and since you're wearing that Spoiled Youth collection sweater, that peso clothing sweater of the YouTuber Justin, I want to create this Justin look right here with your image today. I hope that's a look that you like, that you enjoy, and it will show you how we can turn your picture right here into that Justin inspired look. So we're gonna turn this picture right here that you sent straight out of the camera into this one right here, so it comes really close to that Justin inspired look. The soft edges, the warm but bright tones. We're gonna create that, and of course I've also created a preset on exactly this look for you guys. If you don't want to follow along to the whole tutorial, you can just easily download it from my website. The link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets in the pack to just easily paste to every one of your pictures. And the cool thing about the pack is that once you get it, you'll have new presets every week, or at the moment, even every day. Most of you guys already have the all presets pack, so you can already start working with the preset of today. It's online now. The rest of you guys, I really recommend the all presets pack. So check that out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos, and to further grow this channel. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. That's absolutely crazy. Thank you so much for everything. Now I've said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. I will show you how to create this look right now. So what we want to do, Joseph, is open your picture in the free Lightroom app right here. And now we hit light down here, and now we just want to pull down the contrast a little bit to -19 in this case, boost up the highlights to +31 right here, and boost up the shadows as well to +23. Then we want to boost up the whites again to +31 in this case, right there, and the blacks also up to +16 to just brighten up the image a little. Then we go to color over here. Now we want to boost up the temperature for sure. +23 is good. It makes it look more orange, more warm, and we're already getting into the right direction. Now the tint, we want to pull that down to -24 right there, or -23. And now we just want to hit mix on the upper right side. Now for the red tones, we don't want to change anything, but for the orange tones, we just want to pull down the hue a little to -15. Then we go over to the yellow tones, boost up the hue to +21 in this case. Then we want to pull down the saturation to -10. Go over to the green tones, and here we just want to pull down the hue all the way to -100. Then we skip the aqua tones, go to the blue tones right here, and now we just want to boost up the luminance a little bit to affect the sky to around +38 right here. And now you can already see those colors changing towards that orange look. So we're done here. Now we go to grading, do some final touches. And for the shadows, for this circle right here, we want to choose a hue of around 38 to 40 right there, that area, and a saturation of around 12 or 13 is good. Then we go to the midtones here. What you want to do again is change the hue to around 69 or 70 right there. And then a saturation of around 36 is good, or maybe a little lower in this case. 32 is perfect. We go over to the highlights, and now here we just want to bring the hue over to around 245, that blue area right there, and the saturation to around 42 is good in this case. So it's 242 and 45. That is perfect. We're done here. Then we go over to the effects tab right there. And now the final things we want to do is just boost up the texture to around +20 8 right here and pull down the clarity. This will really make the dreamy effect, maybe all the way to negative 84 right there, and you can really see it getting soft and dreamy, kind of hazy. And then of course we want to dehaze. We want to pull that down to negative 15 to make it even softer, even more hazy. And now we want to add some grain just to finish it up, to make it look a little more vintage, to around 27 is perfect, and we're done here. And now this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to that Justin inspired look. Josef, I hope you're happy with this edit, with the result that we got here. And I think it's really cool because it's a related edit. You're wearing that Spoiled Youth Peso Clothing hoodie, and I think we really, you also set out to that Chinese garden location. I like it a lot, and I think we really matched the best of both sides and got this great edit. So yeah, I hope you're happy with this. The rest of you guys, I also hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun doing it for you. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's on my website. Link is under this video. In that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures in the free Lightroom app. Most of you guys already have the all presets pack. If you don't, make sure to check it out. I really recommend it. New presets every day. It's a great deal. Link is under this video. Now, if you want me to take a look at your picture next, always feel free to DM it to me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. Until the 24th, I will be doing one of these videos every day. So just send me your pictures, and I'm really excited to see what you got for me. Now, thanks so much for watching. I hope I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.